Welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. And I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. Today we are going on an exciting journey into the world of short hair styling ideas. If you have been searching for amazing ideas to embrace a short haircut or grace your stunning short hairstyles perfectly, then you have come to the perfect destination. Let me be your trusted guide as we navigate this process, helping you achieve a mesmerizing and attention-grabbing look. Ladies, we all know how important our hair is in defining our unique style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that you will completely captivate you. With these new techniques, you will witness the magical transformation of your hair, empowering you with a strong sense of beauty and grace. Imagine this, ladies, the enchantment of whitish, grayish, and blackish colors. These shades have an irresistible allure, elevating your hair to levels of elegance that are unmatched, from subtle highlights that whisper sophistication to bold undertones that demand attention. We will explore how these colors can infuse your short looks with depth and dimension. Get ready to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformation unfolding before your eyes. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. I have created a lovely array of short hairstyling ideas exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not just trendy, but they also carry a powerful impact. They are tailor-made to cater to your hair's deepest desires. They also carry a powerful impact, whether you are leaning towards a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of grayish, whitish, blackish and brownish colors. Can you imagine the luxury these shades will bring to your hair? The blend of black and grey exudes timeless appeal, entertaining sophistication and charm. Prepare to be dunked in the best of the best hairstyling ideas, carefully curated for your exclusive satisfaction. We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barriers. We assure you that our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated to us. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. And until we meet again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you soon.